Hey everyone, this is video number 2 in the series of partnership problems. In video number 1, we talked about the basics as to how we should be approaching these kind of problems. एक दो problem वहां पे लगाए थे, but we are going to be solving simpler problems in this video so that our understanding gets enhanced. So this is what you had in the first video, जहां पे हमने ये बोला कि when the time period of investment is same, then the profit should be distributed in the ratio of their investments. Is that okay? And whenever the time period of investments are not same, then in order to find out profit percentage, you should be multiplying individual investments and time period, and then you can find out the ratio of that thing. So अगर आपको ये चीज समझ में नहीं आई, so please go and watch video number 1 of partnership. I'm going to be solving some better problems over here. Read this problem. In this video, we are going to be learning as to how we can simplify our calculation. अगर calculation आप बचा गए तो फिर तो आपका काम बन गया, otherwise तो फिर these problems are way too complicated. So now this problem says that A started a business investing 1,20,000 after 3 months. So what did I say? जब भी time period of investment same नहीं होगा तो हम क्या करेंगे, पहले उनके investment का रेशियो निकालेंगे, फिर उनके टाइम का रेशियो निकालेंगे और फिर इन दोनों को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो A is investing 1,20,000 whereas B is investing 1,90,000. So what is that I'm going to be doing? My step number 1, I'm going to be finding what is the ratio of their investments. So this one is pretty simple. I don't even have to be writing this. आपको समझाने के लिए मैं लिख रहा हूं, बट आप एग्जाम पे तो ये नहीं लिखोगे. So this is to 1,90,000 and these 4 zeros are getting cancelled from here. And what is the ratio of their investments? That is coming out as 12:19. That you can write by reading the problem itself. You don't even have to solve this one. Is that okay? Now, what is the second step? I should be finding out what is the ratio of their टाइम पीरियड्स. सो ए कितने दिन है बिजनेस में, आप देख लो. पहले तो ये देख लो बिजनेस है कितने दिन का. आफ्टर 1 year, व्हाट डज दैट मीन? सो द एंटायर बिजनेस इज फॉर 12 months. नाउ ए स्टार्टेड द बिजनेस एंड ए इज देयर इन द बिजनेस फॉर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? 12 months. इज दैट ओके? नाउ व्हेन बी इज कमिंग आफ्टर 3 months, व्हाट डज दैट मीन? बी इज देयर इन द बिजनेस फॉर 9 months. भाई जितने समय के लिए बिजनेस में है उतने ही समय के लिए तो आप प्रॉफिट दोगे. तो 3 महीने बाद तो आया, तो बिजनेस में है कितने महीने? इट इज फॉर 9 months. So B is going to be there in the business for 9 months. So what is that you should be doing? Step number 2, you should be finding what is the ratio of their time periods. So that is coming out as 12:9. If you simplify, what is this? 4:3. So step number 1 is complete. Step number 2 is complete. What should you do now? What should you do now? You see, this is for investment, and then I would also be writing the time period. So ratio comes out over here. The ratio of this in the simplified form is coming out as 4:3. Is that okay? Now, how do I find out what is going to be the ratio of profit? In order to find out profit, what did I say? I need to be multiplying investment and time. So A and B, what is the ratio of profit? This is coming out as 12 into 4. It is 48, and 19 into 3 is coming out as 57. Can you simplify it further? Yes. It is coming out as 16 into 3 is 48 and 19 into 3 is 57. So in what ratio we should be giving them the profit? We should give them the profit in the ratio of 16 to 19. Does this make sense? Now, what is that they are asking you in the problem? They are asking you what is going to be the share of B. तो share of B निकालने के लिए 19 divided by 16 plus 19, it is going to be 35. You need to find out 19 by 35 of the total profit, and the total profit is given to you as this. So this value out here is 175 followed by how many zeros? 1 2 3 4. So write this down. 1 2 3 and 4. So 35 into 5 is 175. So this one is 19 into 5. 19 into 5 is what? 95. 95 followed by 4 zeros. So 95 followed by 4 0. Option D is the right answer. So Please understand as to how I am simplifying these problems. Step number 1, I am finding out in what is the ratio of their investments. Step number 2, I am finding out what is the ratio of their time periods. And in order to find out in what ratio you should be giving them the profit, you need to be multiplying these two values. काम खत्म हुआ? Does this make sense to you? तो तीन ही तो स्टेप है प्रॉब्लम लगाने के, आप तीनों स्टेप लगाते जो आपका काम बनता जाएगा. Now, Reena and Shaloo are partners in a business. Reena invested rupees 35,000 rupees for 8 months. है ना simple ये? Please do that. Let us try to make a table for you to understand. I have got this. And then I'm gonna write their names, which is what? Reena and then Shaloo. And then what is the ratio of their amounts? The ratio of amount, you see, it is 35,000 is to 42,000. Does this make sense? Why to write this time and again? So this is 7 into 5 and 7 into 6. So this ratio comes out as 5:6. So I'm going to write this one as 5 and 6. As simple as that. So that is the amount. And what is going to be the time period? It says what? Reena, for the business is there for 10 months. And Reena is there in the business for how many months? 10 months. For how many months Shaloo is going to be there? It says that, oh, Reena is investing for 8 months and Shaloo is investing for 10 months. So this one will have to be 8 and this one will have to be 10. So can you find out what is the ratio? What is the ratio of time of Reena and Shaloo? That is, if you find out, this is coming out as 4:5. है ना, simple. 4:5. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, ये सब चीजें ना आप लिखना बंद करेंगे. धीरे धीरे हम एक ऐसे सिचुएशन पे आएंगे जहां पे ये सारी वैल्यूज को हम डायरेक्टली लिख जाएंगे. So what is going to be the profit? So profit is going to be 5 into 4, this is 20, and 6 into 5, this is 30. So what is going to be the ratio of their profits? The ratio of profit comes out as 20:30. So profit ratio is 20:30, which is 2:3. अब अगर ये आ गया तो फिर आपका काम बन गया ना. काम बना कि नहीं बना? आपसे किसका प्रॉफिट पूछा जा रहा है? आपसे पूछा जा रहा है प्रॉफिट, आपसे पूछा जा रहा है रीना का. अब रीना एंड शालू को जो प्रॉफिट मिला है वो किस रेशियो में मिला है? 2:3, isn't it? So how much Reena is going to be making? Reena is going to be making 2/5 of the total profit. 2/5 of total profit is what? Total profit 31570. Is that okay? Now, so this is going to be what? This is going to be 6 and then 314. If you multiply these two values, this is going to be 8, 2, 6 and then 12. So this is going to be the share of profit of Reena. जो बाकी का टोटल प्रॉफिट में से. अच्छा, ये कैलकुलेशन आप बचा सकते थे क्या? यस, बचा सकते थे. 2/5 ऑफ दिस वैल्यू. सो अगर हैड इट बीन सब 30,000 डिवाइड बाय 5 इज हाउ मच? 6,000. 6 into 2, सो 12,000 के आसपास ही ऑप्शन होने चाहिए. 12,000 के आसपास कितने ऑप्शंस हैं आपके पास में? ओनली वन. तो मैं अगर एग्जामिनेशन में करूंगा ना, तो मैं तो इस वाले स्टेप को यहां पे कैलकुलेशन करूंगा ही नहीं. बिफोर आई वुड डू द कैलकुलेशन, आई वुड लुक एट माय ऑप्शंस, कितने स्कैटर्ड हैं ये ऑप्शंस. अगर स्कैटरिंग ज्यादा है तो मेरी अप्रोक्सीमेशन लगाऊंगा, मैं आगे बढ़ जाऊंगा. दैट इज हाउ आई वुड बी सेविंग सम 5 seconds 10 seconds फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरी प्रॉब्लम दैट आई एम डूइंग. सो व्हाट इज दैट यू आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम दिस प्रॉब्लम? टाइम का रेशियो अलग लिखना है, इन्वेस्टमेंट का रेशियो अलग लिखना है, उन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है और आपको क्या पता चल जाएगा इन व्हाट रेशियो यू शुड बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग द प्रॉफिट. डज दिस मेक सेंस टू यू? नाउ if you're understanding this, let us move ahead. It says that Amit started a software business by investing rupees 50,000, right? After 6 months, Rohit is joining him with a capital of 80,000 rupees. So understand, investment का ratio A is to B, A is to R. Amit and Rohit. It's very simple for you to find out 5:8. That's the most simple form that you can write. And in order to find out the ratio of time period of these two individuals, ये है कितने, 3 साल का बिजनेस है, and Rohit is coming after 6 months. So what does that mean? Amit is there in the business for 36 months and Rohit is there in the business for how many months? 30 months. Are you understanding how am I writing 30? भाई 3 साल का business है, which is 36 months. Rohit is coming 6 months after Amit. So what does this mean? This means that Rohit is there in the business for 30 months. And would you be able to find out the ratio of these two? Yes. It's pretty simple to find out. This is coming out as 6 into 5. Can you do this calculation? Yes. अब यहाँ पे आप क्या लिख दो इसको, 6 into 5. So what is going to be the ratio of profit of Amit and Rohit? Isn't it simple? It's pretty simple. 5 into 6 is 30 and 8 into 5 is 40. If you simplify this further, in what ratio you should be distributing the profit? The profit should be distributed in the ratio of 3:4. बनी बात, काम खत्म हो गया आपका. अगर आप बड़ी वैल्यूज के साथ में कैलकुलेशन करोगे तो देख लो आप फिर मरोगे. ठीक है जी. Now 3:4, and what is that they are asking you? They are asking you to find out what is the share of Rohit, and the share of Rohit is going to be 4/7 of the total profit. The total profit is given to you as 24,500. Would you be able to simplify this? You can do that. You can do that. Now, if you do that, this is going to be what? 3 and then 500. 35 into 4 comes out as 140. 140,000. This option. Do your calculation, but there are only 3 steps that we are approaching as of now. इसके बाद कुछ प्रॉब्लम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होगा तो देखेंगे, बट एज ऑफ नाउ इतने से ही काम चलाते जाएंगे. This one, pause the video, try to solve this question on your own. I am pretty hopeful that you would do that now. A start, अच्छा दिखने में प्रॉब्लम बड़े लगेंगे, बट ये जब आप सिंप्लीफाई करने चले जाओगे ना तो लिटरली ये प्रॉब्लम सिंपल हो जाएंगे. So now this one says that A started a business investing 70,000. ए भाई साहब ने बिजनेस को शुरू किया कितने से? 70,000. B joined him after 6 months. So for 10,500, and no, that's not 10,500. That's gonna be what? It's a calculation. It's a mistake. So A is investing 70,000. B is investing 1,05,000, right? And then C is investing 1.4 lakh rupees. 1.4 lakh rupees can be written as what? 140,000. Does this make sense to you? एक यहीं पे प्रॉब्लम, अब क्योंकि कॉन्सेप्ट तो आपको आ गया तो आपको परेशान कहां किया जाएगा? आपको परेशान किया जाएगा कैलकुलेशन में. अगर आप 1.4 लाख को 140,000 लिख के अगर आप इनका रेशियो निकालना हो और आप सिंपल तरीके से निकाल पाओ A is to B is to C, तो फिर बड़ा अच्छा. क्योंकि यहां पे देखो तो 30 तो हर जगह से कट रहा है. So 3 zeros are gone from here and here and then here. So you have got 70, 105 and 140. So this is 35 into 2, 35 into 3 and 35 into 4. So what is going to be the ratio of investments of A, B and C? This is coming out as 2:3:4. Is that okay? Now, A started the business. This business is for 3 years, which is 36 months. A is in the business for 36 months. And B joined him after 6 months. तो B business में हुआ कितने दिन? 30 months के लिए, isn't it? And C कितने दिन के लिए हुआ? C joined him with 1.4 lakh rupees after another 6 months. So C is going to be in the business for 24 months. Would we be able to find out the ratio of A's to B's to C here? That the ratio of times. So this is what? 6 into 6, 6 into 5, 6 into 4. So what is the ratio of time of A, B and C? 6, 5, 4. Now, would you be able to find out the profit ratio? Yes. What is that you're going to do? You're going to multiply these 3 values. So the profits should be distributed in the ratio of 2 into 6, which is coming out as 12. And then 5 into 3, which is 15. And 4 into 4, this is 16. So profits are going to be, the profit is going to be distributed in the ratio of 12 and 15 and 16. Isn't it simple? और कितने सारे लोग बैठ के उसका 70,000 को बड़ी बड़ी वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 1,40,000 रुपीज को बड़ी वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, और वो वहां पे प्रॉब्लम उनके लिए फंसता जाएगा। यही है ना, अगर अपने प्रॉब्लम्स को सिंप्लीफाई कर सको तो फिर तो आपके लिए आसान है, अदरवाइज उसको टच करने की भी कोशिश मत करना एग्जामिनेशन में। आप इसको टच ही नहीं कर रहे हो, आप इसको तो यूं खत्म कर रहे हो। कैसे कर रहे हो? आप तो लिख रहे हो रेशियो ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट and then ratio of time, and then you're multiplying these two values, and then you're finding out what is the ratio of profit. Now if you understand this, please find it out, pause the video, try to solve this question on your own. You need to find out what is the share of Arun over here. Arun, Kamal and Vinay are investing. Arun, Kamal, Vinay, please do that on your own, people. I'm just thinking which color I should be choosing. So this, you have got Arun and then Kamal and then Vinay. I would write this as 2:1:2. Did you understand this? So this is what you should be writing in the examination. इतनी calculation आपकी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. Now what is going to be? So this is the ratio of investment. And Arun and then Kamal and Vinay. What is the ratio of their time period? You see, Arun left after 6 months. Arun भाई साहब 6 महीने में भाग गए. तो अरुण थे कितने दिन बिजनेस में? 6 महीने तो. एंड देन कमल इज देयर इन द बिजनेस फॉर 8 months एंड विनय इज देयर इन द बिजनेस फॉर 8 months. So what is going to be the ratio? It is going to be 6:8:8 and that is nothing but 3:4:4. क्या ये सिंपल हुआ? और अगर ये सिंपल हो गया तो आप क्या लिखोगे? 3:4:4, which is the ratio of their time period. So what is going to be the ratio of profit? It is coming out as what? 3 into 2, which is 6:4:8. Further, if you simplify, this is 3 into 2 into 4. So this is the ratio in which this profit 4,500 rupees should be distributed amongst Arun, Kamal and Vinay. And if you understand this thing, यार मैंने कुछ हाइड करके रखा हुआ था, don't see this. So you need to find out the share of Arun. How would you find out the share of Arun? 3 divided by 3 plus 2 plus 4. This is going to be 3/9 of 4,005. So would you be able to find it out? This is 3 and this is going to be what? What is going to be this? 12,500 rupees. So 1 and then 3. What is that I'm doing? 1, 3. This is going to be 1,335 is the share of Arun. Don't look at these options, they're wrong. So the share, you can once you have found out the ratio in which the profit must be distributed and you know the total profit, would you not be able to find out the individual share? बड़ी आसानी से आप निकाल सकते हो. तो this is what I had in this video. I am still saying this. हमने अभी भी सिंपल प्रॉब्लम्स को ही टच किया हुआ है, अभी कुछ बड़े कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रॉब्लम हमने लगाने शुरू नहीं किए हुए हैं. बट इस वीडियो में मेरा जो पर्पस था वो आपको ये बताना था कि आप बड़ी वैल्यूज के साथ में कैलकुलेशन मत करो, छोटी वैल्यूज के साथ में कैलकुलेशन करके आप प्रॉब्लम को सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो. तो 3 स्टेप में हमने प्रॉब्लम यहां पे सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करी. आई एम गोइंग टू बी सॉल्विंग सम टफर प्रॉब्लम्स इन वीडियो नंबर 3 ताकि आप सारे एग्जामिनेशंस के हिसाब से प्रिपरेशन कर पाए. इज दैट ओके? देन देयर विल बी वीडियो नंबर 4 एंड वीडियो नंबर 5 एंड देन पार्टनरशिप प्रॉब्लम्स विल एंड. सो this is how it is going to end. The ratios and then mixture and alligation and then partnership. The cluster of these 3 topics must be studied thoroughly and together. तभी examination में कुछ फायदा होगा. So I'm going to see you in video number 3 of partnership problems. Till then, bye bye and take care.